Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Poppy from Heatsign. Traditional laser marking machine software requires you to manually edit and change content each time you are on the machine, which is not very efficient. Now, our handheld laser marking software solves this problem. You can import an Excel file into our portable laser engraver software and automate the marking process. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your Excel file, import it into our software, and create a marking show that automatically updates with your Excel data. With this knowledge, you can easily create customized engravers that update automatically with your data. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.